Today's recipe, braised pork hock or patate. Ingredients that we need: sliced pork legs, pineapple juice, soy sauce, allspice, oyster sauce, cinnamon bark, bay leaf, star anise, whole peppercorn, sliced ginger, sliced red onion, crushed garlic, ground black pepper, salt, rice wine, brown sugar, few pieces of shiitake mushroom, and blanched bok choy.
Let us begin. Prepare a clean pot with water. Add in the pork. Cook until soft. Then when it's ready, take it out from the water, set aside in another clean pot. Combine all the rest of the ingredients, except shiitake mushroom and blanched bok choy. Let it boil. Then put in the soft pork legs. Simmer until the sauce absorbed by the meat and thicken. Then when you see that is about to be ready, add in the soft shiitake mushroom. Let it cook for a bit. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching. See you on my next recipe video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell button to notify you when I have a new video.